Good morning, everyone. This morning it's a beautiful Saturday morning, and I'm lucky enough to sit out here with these beautiful trees and surrounding around me. And I'm sitting barefoot together with the trees and connecting to the earth. And I'm just sitting quietly and touching the trees and thanking Mother Earth for being here with us. It really means a lot that we can live on this earth and breathe the air and enjoy everything that surrounds us. Mother Earth, thank you for being here, and thank you for letting us connecting with you.